guys, welcome back, and today I'm gonna do a special video, and this is gonna be special because I've ever made a video like this, because it's gonna be including a challenge and a time-lapse build with a 3D printer. So the challenge is easy. Guess what the build is gonna be. Now, you're not gonna watch the whole video and guess what it is, because that's obvious that you're gonna guess what it is. So that's why I put 3 modes. So let's start by easy. Easy mode, you watch all the way through half of the video, half of the build of course, and then pause it, go in the comments down below and write your guess of the build. Now, there's medium and hard. Now the medium one is kind of like your choice. In the medium one, it has to be not too hard and not too easy. You choose something between the middle of the video, the middle of the build, and the start of the build, so anywhere in between, you know. And then there's hard, and the hard one is you don't even watch any part of the build. You just stop right now, go in the comments and write it. You just guess. It's like full on guesses. You just guess right now. So yeah, let's get to it, and I'll see you guys in the end of the video. Because my camera just like totally did the automatic stop recording. So yeah, the build was pretty cool. I mean, the quality of it was really good, and yeah. So now let's get for the real answer. The real answer and the real build. You might already know it because you might be seeing it in my hand. You might already know it because I already guessed it. So congratulations to you who did it hard. congratulations to the medium on a hard way, not to the easy way. And to the easy way, still good. So now let's get to the real answer. It was a Pikachu. As you see, this is the Pikachu, guys. Look at it. It's really cool. It's a tiny Pikachu. I'll take some photos of it and I'll put them in the final part of the video. Yeah, and I really like it. It has a cool model design, and it might have been a little hard to guess it because you could only see the front part of it. The tail, you couldn't see it at all. Because, yeah, I couldn't put a camera in that since it was on the wall. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe down below and like and comment me for what else you want me to do. Like maybe gaming, if you want me to do this again, and if you want me to do challenges again. If you want me to make a part 2, I mean not part 2, another 3D printing model challenge, comment me down below and just tell me. Yeah, just tell me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video again, and I'll see you guys